Hi, I'm Paul Goodwin, and this is your Cabot Weekly Video Review. The big story for me as a China and emerging markets guy is that the Halter USX China index, which is an index that follows the health of ADRs that trade on U.S. exchanges, has jumped back on top of its 25-day moving average. Now, jump may be a little strong. If you take a look at the chart here, you can see that we've had a huge up day here, which does indeed put the index back above its 25-day moving average. Also, if we look back 5 weeks, we see that this is the week that is now coming off the index. So there's a possibility that things will get moving again. But in order to get a new buy signal from the Cabot China timer, we need for the lower index, this 25-day moving average, to start moving up. And it's going to have a way to go, and any additional market weakness will knock it in the head relatively quickly, because whipsaws are very easy at transitions like this. But still, it's better to see it healthy than not. The S&P 500, which tracks the 500 largest stocks on the U.S. stock exchange, as you can see, has it looks like it's found a bottom, looks like it wants to, but even though we had a nice up day today, note that the volume for the day was below the average volume recently. So although we had a nice bounce today on two things: one, the possibility that U.S. joblessness might be easing. We had a great decrease in the number of new applications for unemployment. We also got a 50% jump in Chinese exports year over year, and I think that reassures people a lot that China will stay healthy and will keep supporting the market. So I just have a few stocks to look at here. One of them is HealthNet, and this is going to be kind of our theme for the day. It's called Waiting for the Breakout. As you can see, there's one top here, and another top here. And so altogether, this makes 3 times that HealthNet has come up against this resistance at about 27 and hasn't broken through yet. But when a stock is this healthy and is holding up this well against the broader market, when it does break out, it will be one to watch. And we have some nice above average volume signs here. So that's one possibility. Oil is on everyone's mind, and Pioneer Natural Resources does a lot of drilling and has had great results. And again, what we're looking at here is a stock that has come up against this 67 level several times, and here we have an even stronger 3 days with above average volume that has pushed the stock above this level. So you don't want to fight the main trend of the market, but when the main trend of the market turns positive, looking for this kind of breakout above a level will be make it a much higher possibility bet. And this is the only one that I would say has significant China exposure. It's Las Vegas Sands. And although Las Vegas casinos aren't doing that well, Las Vegas Sands has casinos in both Macau and Singapore, and they've been doing extremely well. So there was this little area here where the stock jumped above 25, but in general, it has been trading under 25 since the middle of April. And if this stock can break out on volume, and we see some good volume clues here that show that buyers are on the job, that will be extremely bullish. So that's it for this week. Good luck, and Ed and Mike will talk to you next week. Thanks.